to West Yellowstone in Montana, and I got this pearl necklace that I will be showing you. So yeah, I'm just gonna showing you opening it up, and you have to like cut into a clam, and it's so much fun. So yeah, only if I can get it out. So there are white, which means for health, cream, which means for happiness, and Nixie 11 got that one. Peach for love, lavender for wisdom, and gold for wealth. I've gotten either white or cream, I can't remember which one, and peach. So let's see which one I get today. So I'll show you like the little setup it has. One second. So it comes like this. There's a little heart to hold the stuff where you put the pearl. And then the clam with the pearl where you stuff. So yeah. Ooh. So okay. Yeah, I think I got the love pearl because it says right here. I don't know if that's true or not, but we will see. I already have the love pearl, but yeah, it says love pearl from the blue. From the blue. Pick me up for a wish come true. Love me tender, love me true. Love the pearl is love her. So I'm going to make a wish because it says make a wish on the thing. I'm just going to do it in my head because that's kind of weird. I know, it's kind of weird if it won't come true. Okay, done. So it says like don't eat or anything. So, and it's made in China. Everything is made from China. Okay. And be careful because you can like cut yourself.
Yeah, so it's kind of like...
By the way, it smells so bad. Ew!
I would take off your bracelet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got this bracelet too.
Yeah, and I got it, but it didn't fit my wrist, so I had to put it on my ankle.
Holy! It smells like Everett's poo. Okay.
Yes, it actually does smell like my dog's poo.
Okay, so this is the clam where I just open up. It's so gross, guys. I'm not even over-exaggerating it. This is how gross the smell is. Wait, Nixie 11, I think I got the same one that you did.
Seriously?
Yeah, here.
Wait.
No, I got white. I got white again. So white means for help. I don't know.
You can give me the white. Because, I mean, didn't you say you already have?
But yeah, this is the pearl. It's real. I got the help one.
Yeah, these are real pearls.
That's hers. Nice. You got the cream. Well, I want help. I wish I would have gotten the lavender one. I really want the lavender one.
Wait, is that lavender help?
No.
Wait, which one's help?
White is for help.
You got help.
Yeah.
I wish I got lavender and help. Why don't they give you two? Why don't they just give you all of them?
But then it won't be fun. Not won't it? Because you'd only just buy one and then it would be done. And it's fun opening up the clam and getting.
Oh. Well, it isn't fun with the smell.
Oh, yeah. Guys, go to West Yellowstone, get the pearl, and then you can see what you mean by the smell.
And we're not
So, I got this one. It has different colors for some reason. But, yeah. Wait, whoa. Okay, I kind of wish I got gold, but I got white, which is gold. Okay. So, I'm just going to keep this so I can store it. But, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
You still.
By the way, we saw a bear today.
Oh, yeah, we did.
I did.
Well, yeah, but you showed me the tape, right?
Yeah. And it's so cool. And be aware for my video that says I saw a grizzly bear, and also be aware for my video that says I saw a moose. So,
Are we
yeah.
never missing the water?
No. Look at Mama. Okay, no more spoilers for that video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe to her channel, Nixie 11. subscribers and I only have 15.
You said 7.
7.